Hey, friends. Welcome to Wake Up in Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, your friendly Avon representative, and we are going to do a eye look today with our new Cashmere eye palette. Bam, it's so pretty. Let me show you the colors. It would be helpful if I had it opened up. Bam. So we're going to do a eye look for mature eyes and get this look going. So I've already gone in and done my foundation and my concealer. I did not do my brows yet. So let's do that together. I am going to brush them up because that is the trend. They are like, there's some people putting wax on their brows to make them stick straight up. Not into that genre. Just not age appropriate, I don't think, for mature eyes. But anyway, so we are using our Ink Lasting Tattoo Station brow pencil. It's super simple. You can use it to just fill in sparse places in your brows, or you can for sure use it to line out brows if you don't have any. I have fairly full brows for the most part. I just need to kind of fill them in. There we go. There we go. And once this is set in place, this pencil really will stay with you all day. It has great staying power. I don't ever tend to have it wipe off during the day. And technically, I usually have to remove it with my eye makeup remover at night. So I'm just enhancing what God gave me. I'm going to try to even them out just a little bit. There we go. We have brows. And I'll go back over one more time and just work that product really well through those brows. And we are finished. Okay, let's go in to this palette. So I've been playing with it and doing a few different looks. My last video I did more of like a smoked out look. I'm going to do a little bit more of a neutral look today. I'm going to start with this second color here and do just like a faux crease and work that in, and we will build from there. I have the perfect color of top on today to do this with, so it's going to be a good like neutral eye, which is one of my favorite things about this palette. You can really smoke it out, or you can do a neutral look, whichever is best for you. And I go a little bit higher on my crease because I do have hooded eyes, so typically you can't even tell I have makeup on, but if I build that crease up, it shows I have makeup on. So I start on the outside and I just work it in. There we go. And I just take one dip. This palette is super pigmented. It does not take like a bunch of work but going back and forth. Not really a lot of fallout from it, which is a blessing. Okay, so our creases are done. Let's go in now. I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna mix a little bit of that pink. So I'm gonna blend this one, let me see, that one and that one. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up the pink first, and then I'm gonna pick up the brown. Okay, so I'm going to start in the middle, like this bottom part, and just work out, or work in is typically how I do it, to that middle part. And then I'm going to bring it up to that crease and blend it all into a blended look. And with a hooded eye, if you're accenting that outer part a little bit more, it's going to make your eyes pop and look more open and more full, which is definitely something I'm looking for. I don't know about you. Okay, so again, we're going to take those two colors, blend out here. I will say that, oh, I forgot to put my eyeshadow primer on again. It's okay. I will say with this palette, it definitely does have like a cashmere feel. It feels really good. I love that. I love that feeling. Okay, I'm going to go in now with this more neutral color right here on the end. And I'm just going to highlight a little bit underneath my brow on that crease area. Bam. Not much, just a little touch. Just to kind of lighten it, soften it up just a little bit. And go in kind of all over. Yes, girl. I think we got it. I think we got it. Okay, we're going to go in with a Glimmer Stick eyeliner in Blackest Black. I can get it started. My hand is so shaky today. And I'm enhancing a little bit more on that edge because, like I said, with those mature eyes, you definitely want a little bit more heaviness on the outer corner. The cool thing about this palette too is that there is no sparkle in it. So it's not, it's very matte, it's very neutral tone, but doesn't have any of the sparkle, which is oddly something I hear often. People don't want no sparkle in their makeup. I'm like, why not? I love sparkle. I'm a sparkle girl. And it is not true that mature eyes can't handle sparkle. That is just some lie that somebody told you, and it is not true. All right, let's curl these lashes. If your lashes are sparse, and you don't want to go get things glued onto them, not my jam, then definitely the Love Mascara and the what's it called? Unlimited Lash Serum is a great serum to help your brows and your lashes to grow and to fill out and really lengthen. So I'm just starting at that base and working it up with the natural curl of my lashes. I go down and then back up just to give a little added pigmentation. This Love Mascara has these beautiful little heart-shaped fibers that work themselves into your lashes. Really helps to lengthen and really make those lashes explode. I mean, come on. Who doesn't want some beautiful lashes? I've tried them all. I've tried the glue-ins. I've tried the magnetics. I just can't do the synthetic stuff on my lashes. I can't. They, my eyes are too sensitive. So having a great mascara that does it for me and that doesn't flake is for sure my answer. Okay. Gonna go down. Do those lower lashes. Hello, eyes. Hello. All right, let's pick up one more cashmere product. I'm gonna do our cashmere bronzer highlighter combo. So pretty. I'm just gonna pick up a regular brush and dab it in. Just gonna give my cheeks a little kiss of color. I should have pulled my hair back for this. We can use the ears God gave us. There we go. I feel like I came down a little bit lower than I wanted, so I'm going to pick up my foundation brush and just line that out. Yes. I feel like this is such a good, smooth, easy transition. The cheeks have that little pop of color, but they're not too much, and they are just beautiful. All right, let's do a Mattitude. Haven't done a Mattitude in a while. This is Respect. It's a great matte color. I love it. I love it. So a quick and easy look for mature eyes to help your eyes still pop and feel beautiful with a great palette. Let me show you that palette one more time. And it's on sale now. You can get the palette, all the makeup I used today on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. So check that website out, and the bronzer too. Also, if you want help with color matching for foundation or skincare recommendations, I would love to help you with those. So private message me or comment below, and be sure and like and follow Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for getting ready with me this morning. I hope you have a beautiful day, and remember, you don't have to be perfect, just go for it. Have a good day.